Okay, let's read Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. Look at all those different types of pizzas. You've got broccoli pizza, smelly sock pizza, oh my goodness, egg pizza, strawberry pizza, watermelon pizza, ooh, cupcakes pizza. Do some of those look good and some of them look yucky? Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. Pete the Cat loves pizza. Pete the Cat loves parties too. Pete had an idea of what he could do. He would have the perfect pizza party. Here's his invitation. You are invited to Pete's Pizza Party. Fun, music, games. Bring your swimsuit. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build the perfect pizza together. That would make the pizza even better. Pete thought the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. It's a party, a pepperoni pizza party. But everyone did not agree. Look, she's playing games. Callie said, pepperoni would be just fine, but I really love pretzels on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Huh? Pretzels? Well, that's something new, but maybe pretzels could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. Squirrel said, pepperoni and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios in mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pistachios? Well, that's something new. But maybe pistachios could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pizza party. Look, it's like they have a band. Grumpy Toad said, pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new. But maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, and pickle pizza party. Gus said, pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, and pickles would be just fine, but I really love popcorn on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Well, that's something new, but maybe popcorn could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, and pickle popcorn pizza party. Look, he's even got Pete's Pizza Party Bus. Alligator said, pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios, pickles, and popcorn would be just fine, but I really love papaya on mine. Now Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? Well, that's something new. But maybe papaya could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, and pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza party. Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, popcorn, and papaya on top. The pizza was so high they had to stop. Ding! The pizza was done. Trying something new might be fun. They all built up the courage to take a first bite. And the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, and pickle, popcorn, and papaya pizza was out of sight. It's dynamite, just right. In the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends.